Hi everybody, I'm Joey and I teach stress relief through stamping. That's why I started stamping, and I'm hoping to share a lot of stamping ideas with you so you can have some stress relief too. But the thing I'm most excited about today is this. So starting September 6th, this is a new holiday mini catalog and it goes live to customers on September 6th. And I wanted to share that with you, but most of all, I wanted to share my first class, my Be Creative Club class, that I'll be sharing in September. So what is Be Creative Club? So it's a subscription club that you can join for $35 a month. If you need shipping, it's $6 more for shipping. And you get products for 5 cards, sorry, getting confused with all the classes I have going on. You get 5 cards, supplies for them. They're all prepped for you, cut, embossed, everything, except I don't do any of the stamping or the die cutting with whatever bundle I'm using, if I'm using a bundle with dies or if I'm using a punch. So all those things you'll need to have, or you'll need to substitute with something you already have in order to make the cards. So then you also get a printable PDF. It's very detailed with with sizes and instructions, measurements for everything, and several photos and a list of supplies. So then after 6 months, if you're a member for 6 months consecutively, you also get a $25 gift certificate from me to spend on whatever you'd like. So that's Be Creative Club. You have to sign up for it before the 10th of each month. And then if you want to unsubscribe, that's entirely up to you. You just click the button on your PayPal account to unsubscribe. You can pay through your PayPal account, or you can pay through your credit card. You just sign up through PayPal for your credit card payment. So, and if you want to try it for just 1 month, you can. So it's $42 if you want to try it for just 1 month, and then you'd have the additional $6 for shipping if you need it shipped. So let me show you this month's cards. I'm really excited about it because it's right out of the new mini catalog, and I'm just having fun creating new things with new products. So I'm going to use the Translucent Florals stamp set. I feel like this is a good one to transition from summer to fall. The images are beautiful. It has some very versatile greetings on it. And then these are the dies for it. So I'm anxious to show you the cards I have made for it. And if you are in the Creative Club, you can add on the bundle I'm using for that month with no tax or shipping. I pay the tax and shipping for you, so you just get it at the retail catalog price. Okay, here we go. Here's my cards. I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek for September. So this is a congratulations card. This is the antique gold paper. You also get $20 for the product. Did I say that? So you get some DSP, some gems, some ribbon, or a combination of those. Here's another one. And the paper I'm using for this is called Party Pattern. No, Garden Party. Garden Walk. Okay, I was close. I'll show you the papers in a minute. And then this card. So you have 5 cards. And as I said, I do all the prep for you. And you get a lot of products with it. So this is the, is it Garden Walk paper? Goodness, I'm having a hard time today. And I feel like these colors are so good for going from summer to fall. So you've got Poppy Parade, Calypso Coral, Pretty Peacock, which is gorgeous, combined with these, Petal Pink. Sorry, I gotta let my fingers make the pages go. Petal Pink, and I'm missing one. Oh, the green. So Wild Wheat, which is a new in color. And then, what am I missing? Garden Green and Mossy Meadow. So a lot of greens. As I said, Pretty Peacock. I think did I already show you that one? I think I already showed you that one. And so look how pretty these are. And this one you could use, there is a stamp set that coordinates with this that has flowers in it. I'm not using that particular one because I'm using the Translucent Florals. But you could use other sets. If you don't want to buy a new stamp set, you could use others. This is the back of that paper. And then, so you usually get a half a pack of DSP, sometimes more, and some gems and some ribbon or other embellishments. So you get $20 plus worth of products. This is the back side of those. Alrighty. Hi Donna, you're watching from Washington where it's cloudy and cool. I wish I was having that weather. I'm in Lincoln, Nebraska, and we are having a hot, sunny day. We're still in summer here, but I'm thinking fall. All right, my friends, if you're watching on YouTube, thank you for watching. If you're watching on my Facebook page, thanks for watching there as well. I would invite you to click the notification bell on YouTube and subscribe to my channel if you're watching there. For all of you, I'll put the links in the video to subscribe to the club or to go to my Create with Joey page. If you go to createwithjoey.com, you'll see under clubs and classes, you'll see the Be Creative Club and you'll see all the choices there. But I will put links for you when I post the video. So thanks for watching. I'm filming this on Labor Day weekend. I hope you have a lovely weekend. And if it's past Labor Day when you watch it, I hope you're just having a good time and wonderful days, whatever time of year it is you're watching. Take care, everyone. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.